Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today we will be unboxing a table lamp which is designed by Wipro company. Its name is Wipro Orion. So let's start unboxing. So by starting off, there is a user manual. There is the table lamp itself and the charger. This lamp is so much stretchable, and it is multi-purpose too. So now we have to turn on the switch. Then we can turn on the lamp by touching the power icon. It has night lamp too. It has a pen stand to keep the pens and pencils, and mobile phone too while watching movies. This lamp has 3 levels of brightness. Now let's charge the table lamp as it is rechargeable. Now to recharge it, you have to connect the charging cable to the charging port and connect the USB to the USB port to the USB socket. The red light indicates that the table lamp is charging. Now let us test the lamp in complete dark. The lamp is working pretty well at the first brightness itself. The night lamp too works great in the dark. I like the product. I will leave the product link in the description. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. See you on the next video. Peace.